I finally have access to the Robinhood crypto wallet. In this video, we're going to go over an overview of the wallet, what it looks like, how it works, and we're also going to do a test of buying $100 worth of Bitcoin on Robinhood to transfer over to my Coinbase to see how easy the process actually is, and more importantly, is it going to charge us any fees? This video is not sponsored, but I will have referral links down below if you guys want to earn free money, free Bitcoin, or just want to help out the channel. So let's get started. Previously, you could buy cryptos on Robinhood for commission free, but it actually wouldn't allow you to transfer it outside of Robinhood because you weren't actually receiving the crypto. Well, that's all changed now. You can now buy cryptos on Robinhood for commission free and then actually send it to another locations, so such as a wallet, another exchange, cold storage, or to one of those companies that let you earn interest with your crypto. So we're going to show exactly what that looks like on the Robinhood app. So we're going to head over here, and it actually doesn't appear first on your homepage if you go to the bottom left. So you're going to have to click on the magnifying glass, and then from there, click crypto. And then this is what the crypto section looks like. It's honestly not too new compared to what we had in the past, but the big difference is here is if you actually click on, say, Bitcoin, you can see the send and receive button, which is huge because now we're actually receiving the crypto that we're buying. If you go back, you can actually see the 11 different coins that you can currently buy on Robinhood. You can check them out right here. And I was looking at other videos even a couple of weeks ago with people who already had access, and there was only 7 coins. So Robinhood is actually adding new coins, it seems, pretty quickly. We're already up to 11. And you can see the different allocations here if you want Ethereum family, altcoins. One tip I would recommend though, if you click the plus mark on the top, it will actually add it to your home screen. So if you go all the way to the bottom, you just click on crypto and you go to your screen right there, so you don't have to search it. The send and receive buttons on Robinhood is a pretty small update, but will make a massive impact how you can send and receive cryptocurrencies going forward. All right, now let's actually test out and buy $100 worth of Bitcoin on Robinhood to see how easy or complicated it is, and more importantly, is it going to charge us any fees or hidden fees? So we're just going to go to the cryptocurrency, click on Bitcoin, and then from there, we're going to click buy amount. So you could actually change it up in the top right if you want in USD or Bitcoin. We're just going to do $100, so we're just going to do a one-time $100 US and swipe up to confirm. So it's sending the order. And just like that, we bought just a tad over $100. And we got 0.00246801 worth of Bitcoin. So we're going to click done and cancel that. All right, so now we can actually send and receive. So we click send, and we actually send, looks like Bitcoin price went down just a smidge. So we can send 20 cents shy of $100. So we're actually gonna send this to the Coinbase. So we're gonna send all of it. So you could actually scan a QR code, but we're gonna actually paste it manually. So we're gonna head over to Coinbase and get our Bitcoin wallet address. All right, now we're just gonna copy over the address. Robinhood is telling us that it is a valid Bitcoin address, which is pretty cool because if you select, say, Ethereum, when you're trying to send a Bitcoin, you are going to lose all that money and you're never going to get it back. So it's cool that it actually validates it. So it has the address right there that we're sending the Bitcoin to, and it's showing us the network fee. So the network fee is actually charged by the cryptocurrency, and we're going to talk about a little bit more on this later, but this isn't actually charged by Robinhood. So we're just going to click send. Then next, we're just going to have to put in our code to actually send it. And just like that, we actually bought Bitcoin on Robinhood and transferred it out to an external wallet. Overall, I would say it was a super easy process, and I'm probably gonna be using Robinhood going forward to make any major purchases when it comes to, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and hopefully they'll be adding several other coins in the future. For comparisons, let's see how much it would cost actually to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin on Coinbase and Coinbase Pro. So for Coinbase, it actually wanted to charge us a $3.84 fee just to buy Bitcoin, which is pretty hefty. And then if you take a look at Coinbase Pro, it only wanted to charge us 59 cents to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. But with Robinhood being an absolute game changer in the market for buying cryptos, there's no need to actually pay a fee. Of course, there are some fine print when it comes to the crypto wallets within Robinhood. Number one is going to be the transfer fees and limits. As of right now, you can send up to $3,000 worth of crypto or 10 different transfers in 24 hours. Cryptos bought with Robinhood Instant cannot be withdrawn until the transactions are settled, which can take up to about 5 days or so. Lastly, let's talk about transfer fees. So as you saw in the screenshot, when I was sending the Bitcoin to my Coinbase wallet, there was a fee. Now this is not collected by Robinhood. There's actually a fee for transferring any kind of cryptocurrency to another wallet, and the fee is collected by the actual cryptocurrency. So that fee is dependent on two different variables. First, what cryptocurrency you're trying to send. And then also the fee is determined by the amount of transactions that are currently happening once you're trying to send that money. This is a standard fee and it's not collected by Robinhood. Sometimes these fees are known as a network fee or a miner fee. So as you can see on the screen, we did receive the Bitcoin in our Coinbase wallet, and in total, it did transfer pretty quick. I think Robinhood allowing users to transfer and buy cryptos for free is an absolute game changer to the crypto industry, and hopefully other companies will follow suit. This is kind of similar to when Robinhood was first offering commission-free trading and completely shifted the stock market platform on their heads, and they later had to follow Robinhood's lead. If you made it this far in the video, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, and let's see if we can get this video to 50 likes. If this video brought you any kind of value, please make sure to subscribe and share the video. Feel free to check out my other videos all about different side hustles I tried and to learn more about personal finance. I'll see you guys in the next one, and this is Kevin, your financial tutor, signing off. Peace.